Iziphathimandla zigasele kulesi sakhiwo esisemfuleni esinendawo ekhiqiza inyama ngemuva kokuthi zilunywe indlebe ngokushaya amanzi ngokusebenza kwayo. Ngesikhathi zihlola zithole kwenziwa amasoseji endaweni engcolile. Kusabalale ividiyo ezinkundleni zokuxhumana ebikhombisa kusetshenziswa ukudla kwezinja njengesithako samasoseji. Abasolwa abathathu kuvele ukuthi abanawo amaphepha asemthethweni okuba kuleli.
The second count for each one of them is that of violation of the Environmental Healthcare Act worship, operating or continuing a business of a butchery contrary to the provisions or the legislation that's in place for them to be able to do that.
Umsolwa wesithupha yena kutholakala ukuthi ungaphansi kweminyaka.
Birth certificate of the accused, worship, the one who's not here, worship, that he was born 10 September 2008, worship, and indeed, worship, we should have followed the Child's Justice Act, worship.
Izakhamuzi zithi le ndawo ibimatasa kakhulu ebusuku kanti imikhiqizo ebiyenziwa khona ibihanjiswa emathilomo abantu bokufika baseSomalia.
Environment yakhona, it's really bad because they are sleeping there, it's dirty, the walls are dirty. Concerned right now, it's because these sausages kudali distributor, and when we see these sausages, the way it's packed is the very same sausage that you will find in the spaza shop.
Abasolwa bagcina esitokisini kanti babekwa amacala okuba kuleli ngokungemthetho nokukhiqiza ukudla endaweni engahlanzekile.
Next week and Friday. If it's going to be for 7 days, it's going to be a problem.